Today, we're going to talk about the architecture of learning, specifically Piaget's amazing schema theory. You've seen this happen, right? It's pretty funny, but it's actually psychology in action. And believe it or not, that little mistake is the key to understanding how we all learn. It all starts with something called a schema. Just think of it like a thinking box in your brain. So a kid's dog box probably has stuff like, it has 4 legs, it's furry, and it barks. These boxes are basically shortcuts. They help our brains make sense of the world super fast. Okay, so the first process is assimilation. This is when new stuff fits nicely into a box we already have. A kid sees a horse. It's got 4 legs and a tail. So, bam, their brain shouts, dog. Here's an easy way to remember it. Assimilation uses an already existing box. Simple. But what happens when something doesn't fit? Well, that's where accommodation kicks in. They see a cat. It meows, it climbs, and the brain goes, whoa, wait a second, that's not a dog. And that's our second trick. Accommodation requires an adjustment of that mental box. So one process uses old boxes, while the other actually changes them or makes new ones. That wait, what moment of confusion, that's called disequilibrium, and it's the real spark for learning. This confusion kicks off the whole learning cycle, forcing our brains to adapt and understand. Now, if you're studying for an exam, this is gold. Assimilation feels comfortable. Accommodation is where growth happens. All right, pop quiz. A kid sees a zebra and yells, horse. What's going on there? If you said B, assimilation, you got it. They're just using their horse box for a striped horse. Okay, let's lock this in with a quick recap. This is pretty much the entire theory in a nutshell. So remember, it's a balance. Assimilation gives us stability, but it's accommodation that truly helps us grow.